Hey, this is Mark. In this video we're going to talk about the best mods to increase FPS in Minecraft. So, according to this guide and guy on Reddit, AimJock, this is the best way. So, don't use Optifine for this version, use Forge. So, install any of this, and this will help you increase FPS. Of course, you want to make sure your PC power mode is set to high performance. So how do you do that? Open up the thing and just type in battery, and you're going to get power and sleep settings. When you're here, go to additional power settings and make sure that this is on high performance. And then the next thing is to close background programs that don't have a lot of browser tabs open in the background. So you can use Forge and enable forced thread chuck rendering unless you have a low-end CPU. If you use Mechanism, you can enable opaque pipes and turn down radiation particles, and its render distance in Mechanism client config. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.